Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening. I am QISTINA ILLYA BINTI AZHAR. My supervisor is Alvin. So today I'm going to present to you about my system, which is car wash reservation system. So the objective of this system is to develop a car wash reservation system using rule-based and geolocation, and to evaluate the car wash system using functionality test, which is UAT. So basically, now when we want to get a service of car wash, we need to go to the store or to the shop nearby to get the services. But this system are developed in order to ease the customer and to reduce the time consuming, so that staff can go to the customer's address that customer has been booked. So the problem statement is difficulty to request the services at certain time and to know the current location of the customer. So I'm going to show you about my system. So this is my website that I've been hosting using Azure App Service, and I've been developed using ASP.NET Core framework as a framework and language C#. So this is the landing page for all users, which is this system consists of 3 users: admin, staff, and also customer. So for login page, this login page are for that 3 users, and once they log in, based on the roles, it will redirect to the different home page. So for now, I'm going to register. So this registration only valid for to be a customer. If admin want to add staff, they need to register at different page, which only admin able to do it. So I'm going to register. And we will redirect to the login page again. Then I'm going to log in as Lina. Okay, now this is the home page of for the customer, and can right away book services. So as Tina is a new customer, so I will need to create a new car. There's no existing that able to choose. So the color I choose blue, and the type, this is the type where I will apply in my rule base to calculate the amount of the fees based on the car type and the services that are being provided that customer has been select. So I'm gonna choose MPV, let's see. So customer able to refer to this section to know the service provided and the prices for each services. For example, this is for SUV and so on. So this is the form where the user need to fill in. This is the type based on the type that I've mentioned before. So this is where the rule base are applied. If I click A, the add-on will changes to only A, and if I click B, it will changes again, and then if C, it will change again. So this is where the rule base are applied, and later on I will show the fees that the customer need to pay, which is it will be paid by cash. For this address, customer need to prompt the address in order geolocation to be applied. So if I click find, the map will show, the map will show the location for the address, and it will retrieve the latitude and longitude, and then I will, for the So let's say I choose 2 September at 2 September, and then I create. So this page is confirmed that your order has been submitted, so you can check at your history. So this is the date and the time and the type, and also the add-on that have been selected, and the price of the services. So the confirmation and payment is pending. Payment is pending due to payment are only available for cash, which is for payment staff are going to manage, and for confirmation is only for admin to manage. So I will bring you to admin homepage. As I said, they're going to use the same login form and just redirect to a different. So this is the homepage for admin. Admin able to manage reservation, manage staff, customer, car, and type. So I'm going to show you about the booking that have been made by Tina. So this is the booking. I've been sorted based on date. So to confirm, just need to click accept or cancel booking or decline. So let's accept first. So there will be changes in the answer or the confirmation. So that's what staff able to do with the reservation, and also able to delete any reservation. For example, I will delete ID 67, and here we go, there's no more 67. So next I'll show you about the staff. So as I said before, only admin able to register staff, and let's say I register as her. Okay, register, and to check we can take a look at staff. Here we go, this is her. So let's say I want to edit, the name should be her. So let's save. The editing has been saved, and when we take a look at the stuff, it's been updated. So as you can see, this is a location history. So this is where all the staff history of their location when they do all the services that they need to do. Next we move to the customer. So this is the list of all customers in the database that have been registered. Next, this is car, this is all cars that have been registered by all customer, and admin able to retrieve all the cars available that have been registered. And then for this type, as we can see, customer able to choose any types of services that have been provided. So let's say in future there is a new services, new type, so you can just key in SD and then the prices, and then here we go. So from now on, I'm not going to show this because we don't want it to be in the system. Okay, next I'm going to show you about stuff. Let's okay, as we can see, this is the homepage for staff, and staff able to manage reservation is where manage the payment, and then this is and then need to update the location. So this location is where once staff has arrived at the customer's address, they need to update the location in order to notify admin. So just now we booked on 2nd of September, so let's say we arrive on that time, and then the day is Wednesday and arrive. So here we go. This is the history of the location. And then for manage payment, after all the services I've done for the customer, and then staff just need to pay and then submit. Here we go, it's already paid. So I'm going to show you how the customer able to cancel the request. So let's say we log in as QISTINA. Okay, we go to the history and we can check all the confirmation here. So let's say the payment is not yet to be paid and the service is not yet to be done. So customer able to request a cancel and then just click enter any reasons, and then yes, and this is like a double confirmation. Save. So when we take a look at admin, reservation, see the request for cancellation. So if the admin want to give the answer, either decline or booking. Let's say we cancel the booking. So the booking has been cancelled. So the customer's booking just now are already invalid. But if customer requests for booking but admin do not want to cancel the booking, as maybe the time is almost near, so they can just decline, and the cancellation has been declined. That's mean the cancellation is not valid and the booking is still going on. They still proceed with the booking. So basically that's all for my system. The purpose of the system is actually to serve customer to wash their car anywhere and anytime, just as requested by them. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and good evening.